Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Communication skills become more clear. Concise lecture 2. In this lecture, we will learn about understanding your audience, identifying different audience types, adapting your communication style considering cultural and contextual factors, active listening techniques developing rapport and building trust, understanding your audience. As communicators, it's our job to understand our audience, whether we're presenting to a large group or having a one-on-one conversation. Knowing who we're talking to is essential for effective communication. By understanding our audience, we can tailor our message to their needs and preferences, making it more engaging and impactful. We can also avoid misunderstandings and miscommunications that can result from not taking the time to understand our audience. Identifying different audience types. Understanding your audience is key to effective communication. Different audiences have different communication preferences, and identifying these preferences can help you tailor your message to better resonate with them. There are several types of audiences, including passive, hostile, friendly, and neutral. Passive audiences tend to be disengaged and may require more effort to capture their attention. Hostile audiences may be resistant to your message, so it's important to approach them with sensitivity and care. Friendly audiences are already receptive to your message, while neutral audiences are undecided and may need more convincing. Adapting your communication style. When it comes to communication, one size does not fit all. Adapting your communication style to different individuals and groups is key to effective communication. It shows that you respect and value their unique perspectives and helps to build trust and rapport. One way to adapt your communication style is to consider the person's personality type. For example, if someone is more analytical and detail-oriented, they may prefer data-driven communication. On the other hand, someone who is more creative and imaginative may respond better to storytelling and visual aids. Considering cultural and contextual factors. Effective communication requires understanding the cultural and contextual factors that influence it. These factors can include language, social norms, values, and beliefs. By considering these factors, you can avoid misunderstandings and communicate more effectively with your audience. It's important to approach cultural and contextual differences with respect and inclusivity. Avoid making assumptions or stereotypes about individuals or groups based on their background. Instead, take the time to learn about their perspectives and experiences and adapt your communication style accordingly. Active listening techniques. Active listening is a technique that involves fully concentrating on and understanding what the speaker is saying, without interrupting or judging them. By doing so, we can build rapport, gain trust, and show empathy towards our audience. To actively listen, one must use nonverbal cues such as nodding, making eye contact, and using verbal affirmations such as "I understand." Additionally, paraphrasing and summarizing what the speaker has said shows that you are truly engaged in the conversation. Developing rapport and building trust. Developing rapport and building trust with your audience is crucial for effective communication. One way to build rapport is to find common ground with your audience. This can be achieved by doing research on their interests or finding shared experiences. Another way is to show empathy towards their concerns and perspectives, which can help establish trust. Building trust requires consistency in your actions and words. It is important to follow through on promises and commitments, and to be transparent in your communication. Additionally, being authentic and genuine can help build a connection with your audience and foster trust.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.